This is my delicious and savory Claypot chicken rice with rice cooker that you can cook it easily at home. We are going to marinate the chicken meat first. 1 tablespoon of mushroom soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, some sugar, a bit of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon cornflour or cornstarch. The cornflour will actually make the sauce a little bit sticky, and that make it stick with the rice. A pinch of ground white pepper. Now, mix that sauce with some chicken thighs. I love thighs, but you can totally change it to chicken breast as well. Make sure you mix it well. Like that, it will allow the meat to really absorb the sauce. I will let it sit for about 30 minutes, but you can just leave it aside until you get everything else ready. Next is shiitake mushrooms. I'm going to cut off its stem because it's pretty tough texture. Then, I will make an egg notch on top of the mushroom. This step doesn't change any taste of the dish, but it makes the final look prettier, so it's really up to you. Next one, Chinese sausage. I will cut it into different styles. First is diagonally slice it. And the second one is just slice it, because I don't want to have only big piece of sausage in the dish. After you cut it all, transfer it into a plate. Then we are going to make the seasoning. In a bowl, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mine is sweet one, but you can use a regular dark soy sauce as well. Some mushroom soy sauce, a bit of sugar, stir to mix, then add 1 cup of water. If you are wondering why I added such a lot of water, because this is going to pour in the rice to cook later on in rice cooker. Now leave the bowl aside and get ready for the important step. Before that, if you would like to have a PDF written recipe with photos, please visit my Patreon page. There are more than 50 recipes already. Alright, let's turn the gas on low to medium heat. Bring your pan or a wok in. Then add some vegetable oil. No need to wait until the oil is hot to add chopped ginger and garlic. We will stir fry them slowly in the pan to make sure that ginger and garlic infuse their aroma into the oil. After a few minutes, I'm going to add the marinated chicken into the oil. Stir to let the heat go through the meat. Now Chinese sausage. It's sweet, salty, savory, and has a piece of pork fat that just melts when you cook it. To be more understanding, imagine the taste of honey on thick bacon. Then shiitake mushrooms. The reason that I cook everything first, not just put them directly in a rice cooker, is to allow all the ingredients to really release their smell and flavors. But I will not let it all 100% cook just yet. That's a rice cooker job. To have your rice grains evenly coated with everything, you have to add it in the pan and stir that through. Stir to mix just a few minutes. Then add half of the seasoning that we made earlier. Stir to mix for about 2 to 3 minutes until the rice grains are coated. Then heat it off. Now let's transfer what we just did into a rice cooker pot. Then add the rest of the seasoning. I will use chopstick to bring the mushroom, the chicken, and the sausage to come up on top. Like that, the rice will cook evenly. Press some green veggies on top. Actually, I should add this kale at the last 15 minutes. You will see why later on. Then bring it to the rice cooker and let the rice cooker do its job. Before you are going to see the yummy chicken rice, please shop that like button. Also subscribe and click notification bell for more yummy dishes every week. Ta-da! Now it's cooked, and my kale is a bit overcooked too. Sprinkle some green onion and let's serve while it's still hot. In this dish, you are going to taste the tender chicken, the ginger, the savory sausage, the tasty rice. All in here is very delicious. I hope you enjoyed this easy version of Claypot chicken rice. If yes, You might love to see this khao man gai. I also cook it in a rice cooker as well. Thank you for watching. See you next week. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย